haben wir ein paar Sätze. Ich habe eine Landkarte. Ich habe eine Schultasche. Ich habe eine Uhr. Ich habe eine Tür. Ich habe eine Tafel. Oder ich habe ein Stück Papier. Ich habe ein Heft. Ich habe ein Lineal. Oder ich habe einen Bleistift. Ich habe einen Computer. Ich habe einen Kuli. Ich habe einen Radiergummi. Ich habe einen Stuhl. Ich habe einen Tafellappen. Ich habe einen Beamer. Ich habe einen Tisch. Ich habe eine Landkarte. Ich habe ein Stück Papier. Ich habe einen Bleistift. So we have two questions which you can see to answer now. What is different in each sentence? Notice they all start with the same two words. And what is causing the difference? So I'll give you a couple seconds. Pause this to give yourself more time to think about it. What do you see changing every time in maybe an unusual way? And then see if you can find a similarity among the rest of the sentence, among the other words, in that each group. See if you can figure out why. So pause this now. Alright, so here is the big difference I was hoping you noticed, right? Eine in this category, it's just ein in this category. Over here, it's einen. So that's the difference. So here you have the word a, but it's changing. It's changing every time. And what's it changing based on? Well, obviously all these words are different, and all these words are different, and all these words are different. So what I was hoping you notice is all those words have different genders. Here we have all feminine words. Here we have all masculine words. Here we have all neutral words. Another thing I'd like to point out to you, notice that all of these things are accusative. You go back to your lesson on accusative. How do you figure it out? Who or what is having the action done to it? Or who or what is verbing? So here's a verb. What is being halved? The map. What is being halved? The Schultasche. Down here, what is being had? The pencil. What is being had? The computer. What is being had? The paper. So all these things are accusative. And you notice that the word ein changes. It has that pattern. Feminine is still changing to eine, just like when it's nominative. We have neutral. Ein is still ein, just like when it's nominative. Masculine down here, notice that it changes to einen. So it's ein if it's nominative, and it's einen if it's accusative. So you're going to have to be careful about that, because that's an easy thing to forget to do. So, alright, now, well, let's look at these. What's different? The word ein, and of course the gender. What's causing the difference? The gender of the words. Because this word is feminine, that's eine. Because this word's masculine, that's einen. Because this is neutral, that's just ein. I have a few problems or practice for you to do right here. So over on the left side, to make sure you knew the gender of the word so you wouldn't get it wrong because you didn't know the gender, I have that laid out. Fill in the correct form of ein in these blanks, or not or, but and write yourself out a sentence down here. See if you can put it into use. There's an example. I won't be able to go over that with you, but it's still a good thing to try. Alright, go ahead and pause this now so that you can have all the time you need to work. Okay, what would we have here? Ich habe einen Hund. Ich habe eine Katze. Ich habe ein Mädchen. Ich habe einen Vater. Ich habe eine Mutter. Ich habe eine Cousine. Ich habe eine Freundin. Meine Eltern haben einen Hund. Dein Freund hat ein Heft. Eine Frau hat ein Stück Papier. And there you have it. Notice all of these were accusative. Go ahead and do that practice on your own so you can be sure you know how to do this.